Hello YouTube land and welcome to an adventure toy review. Get ready as we review a random toy or toys from my collection. And today we're gonna be reviewing Palpatine versus Yoda from the Star Wars Unleashed line, released back in 2005 by Hasbro as a part of the Star Wars Unleashed line, capturing the scene Duel in the Galactic Senate. This lightsaber duel in the Senate Rotunda was created for the 2005 film Star Wars Episode 3 Revenge of the Sith, the third and final installment of the Star Wars prequel trilogy. Now Yoda and Palpatine came in with the card and blister packaging with a very nice card art, again capturing the intense duel in the Galactic Senate. So out of the packaging, this figure requires some assembly. So you have Emperor Palpatine here. Let's check out his details. Look at the lightning effects. Look at that menacing face. A very highly detailed sculpt. And look at the robe. This is the back of the figure. Look at those Palpatine hands. Very detailed figure. Let's look at Yoda. So Yoda actually comes with a swirling swoosh effect as seen during the battle. He was swirling and jumping everywhere. Look at his robe. Look at the details. Look at the details of Yoda. Look at his face. Very detailed. And of course, they both came with their own lightsabers. So the little green one is for Yoda and the red one is for Emperor Palpatine. So let's assemble them very quick. So assembling this, guys, there's a peg here which goes to the back part of Palpatine on this section. So there you can attach it. And then there's a peg hole here, but it will just rest. The lighting effects as a peg hole also here. And from there, there's the actions. There's the action pose. And then you can attach the lightsabers. And so it's for Yoda. Wow. This clearly captures again the intense battle in the Galactic Senate. So it's a very highly detailed figure. Actually, it has no articulation. It's a stock action figure. It's a vinyl figure, and This is the this is just capturing the scenes of a particular scene in the movie. Uh, so this is the unleash line. So checking out their poses. So Yoda is already hovering above Palpatine as ready to strike him. It's like almost Palpatine was caught off guard. So I love this unleash line. Highly detailed figures, vinyl statues that you can uh, really display in your collection. Now, these two are the most powerful masters of the Force in the galaxy, locked in a battle that pits ultimate good and ultimate evil. Yoda's face blazes with intensity and determination, while Palpatine's twisted face snarls with hatred and fury. The Republic is crumbling around them, but the galaxy could still be saved if the Jedi Master can defeat the Sith Lord. The struggle of an entire galaxy is encapsulated in these two adversaries. The power of the Force emanates from them, charging the air with hope and dread as each seeks to find one moment of weakness in which he can overpower his enemy. And yes, I was very surprised watching this movie because it was the first time I saw Palpatine and Yoda go head to head, displaying their masterful Jedi skills. And it is in this figure that captures again that scene or that moment as they battle it out in the Galactic Senate. If you come across this toy, I would recommend you get it. It has a nice sculpt, the paint application is superb, and it also again captures that specific moment or that specific scene in that movie. Again, this is Palpatine versus Yoda from the Star Wars Unleash line. Keep on playing, for every day is an adventure.